Alright, so let's get these wheels off and get the new wheels test fitted on there. Nice. So when I was looking at these, it's actually been probably 3 years since I bought these. They went on clearance soon after I had been watching them, and so I wasn't sure if that clearance was legitimately clearance, like they'd never have them again, so I ordered 5 just so I have a spare that matches. All right. It's on there, but look at that. It touches. Just barely. But it touches the lower spring perch. Pretty close to being flush. So I guess I'm just gonna have to cut off that spring perch and then mount these up like a proper set of coilovers and just hope that there's enough clearance. Now my tires are a little narrow, so the tires will come in just slightly from the lip. They're not stretched a whole lot, just a small amount. So that's sort of a no in the front for the moment. Let's see about the rear. Don't drop it. Okay, let's see here. Nice ugly drum brakes. Sits nice and flush. Yep, with room around. No problems with, I don't feel any brake lines. Plenty of space between control arms and everything. Good. Let's see. Even the lower control. I mean, they are 16s. If you had really wide 15s, you might be pretty close in there, but yeah. So it'll work excellently on the rear. Yeah.
Oh, they look pretty ready.